So plant a gungo tree. Even one gungo tree can give you up to a pint of gungo.
That's it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So here's Mama G, and she is processing some gungo peas. All right, and you know, I did a video last week showing you what the gungo peas tree looks like, and it's in bloom and everything. So what are you going to be doing with these gungo peas, Mama G?
Well, I'm going to do some gungo soup. Nothing nice like gungo soup with some dashi in there and some soft yam, you know, pumpkin and your carrots. Nothing nice like that. And then I'm going to do also some stew gungo. I like stew gungo.
Me too.
Stew it down with the coconut milk.
Yeah.
Very delicious. Also can do some Gungo rice and peas.
Yes.
We're going to use our coconut milk and make our rice and make a lovely pot of gungo rice and peas. I hope I can share some of this gungo with you.
Yeah. So do you prefer eating the gungo when it's green versus when it's dry? Is there any difference for you? Which one do you prefer? Because sometimes it's dry and it doesn't look like this.
I love it when it's green.
Okay.
It has and fit. It gives the food a better flavor than when it is dried. And it makes, to me, it makes better soup, it makes better rice and peas, green gungo, and it is more expensive even at the market. The green gungo is more expensive than the dry one.
Okay, that's very interesting, Mama G. So I know we're not going to be using all of this right away. So what are some of the ways, or how are some of the ways you get to store these until you're ready to use it?
I'm just going to wash it and put it in the Ziploc bags and put it in the freezer. Okay. Freeze it and use it, you know, proportionally.
That's right. All right. So that's good. So there you have it, guys. Mama G processing some gungo peas, and we're gonna definitely have a lot of gungo peas for this season. And as she said, it's very delicious, and you can use it for so much different purposes. Not to mention all the health benefits that we talk about earlier.
Yes, that's our main source of protein, peas.
It's an excellent source of protein for sure. All right, thank you, Mama G.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right.
And plant a gungo piece.
Yes, plant a gungo tree. We have gungo tree from last year, and we are getting gungo from it. It re-bear again, but it doesn't bear as bountiful like when it first crop, like a first crop. But we don't kill all of them. You know, we plant again. So plant a gungo tree. Even one gungo tree can give you up to a pint of gungo.
That's it. All right, Mama G, thank you.